Hi, this is Shweta W. Somo. I'm a therapist and a counselor. I have got something very important to tell the women around the world. I'm just sharing my experience. Whatever achievements I have gained in my life are because of a male supporting me. Firstly, it's my father helping me and pushing me to finish my engineering studies. Then my brother helping me to get to New Zealand after I finished my studies in India. And there was a special male friend. His name is Neil. He suggested me to go to New Zealand from India, and he asked his uncle to help me with this process. So these were the major things. And then I had a best friend who helped me to sustain in New Zealand and also helped me get the residency. Like, he just pointed out the right directions where to work. Obviously, it was my hard work. I got the residency with my engineering degree, my hard work, my jobs. But he was pointing me in the right direction, and his name is Rakesh Jodha. After that, I have been with so many male colleagues that I was working with in construction sector, my seniors, my managers, my workmates. They always used to guide me in the right direction. And after that, I got married with my husband, and he was the one to push me to leave New Zealand and try to establish in Australia. So that's how I moved to Australia with his advice. And finally, when I came to this industry of YouTube channel, podcast, and the business, there is one special person who helped me, was Mari Kibblewhite. And he has been my mentor from New Zealand. And he was a government employee, a teacher, an author who was helping me write the books and how to progress in the career, how to set up the business, and do's and don'ts, advising me at every step. So I would really like to thank all the men who have been in my life, supporting me for my career progress and growth. And my advice to all the females is that, there is something good in every man that you come across. Like, even if it is a heartbreak, there will be something they'll teach you. So you just should learn to forgive and forget and the bad things that have happened, and try to keep the good memories and a good healthy relation, and move forward in life and support each other. So there is no point of having a rivalry against anyone who has broken your heart or something. Just forgive, forget, and move on. That's what I've learned in my life, and that's a biggest message I want to give to the females around the world. Some of you may disagree with this, but I think, life is short. So just be happy, forgive and forget, and move on. Thank you.